happy, I'm very angry and I'm upset.
Alright, brother, where you coming from today, man?
England.
Oh, cool, man. What, you drove all the way here from England to get the haircut today?
Yes.
Oh, whereabouts in England you coming from?
I come from my house.
Oh, man, so what's that's like a 4,000-mile trip. So how long did that take you?
It takes me 100 miles.
What do you usually get when you go for a haircut then?
I usually get that one.
Cool. So like what, you usually get it a bit shorter at the sides, the top here with a little doodad here. What about some little braids coming out the side of your head like this?
Oh, that's Sunday.
What cut do you want to get today? Something new, or do you want to go with like what you usually get?
The one that has those corners as a square.
With corners and a square?
Yes.
Any reason why you got the haircut today?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Is it a secret?
Yeah. Special
You're going to
occasion
90s
is 90s blackout.
You're going to a 90s brock out party? Cool, so you're gonna need to look pretty drippy and swaggy and fresh.
I'm gonna be drippy and swaggy and fresh for the party. Maybe you should go there quick because it's the second.
So is there a special girl in your life, bro?
Yes, it's Melody.
Oh, and this Melody, you want to impress her at the 90s brock out party?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool, man.
I'm gonna catch her.
How does your mummy feel about you getting this haircut today? Is she cool with it? She kind of likes the kind of undone natural look, or does she kind of prefer the more crisp and lined up, neater version?
She liked the neater version.
So you're excited to get this hair done, your haircut done today, bro, yeah?
Yes. I can't wait. Whoopee!
If you just sit back, we're not really going to use a head trimmer. It's a joke. Alright, so you ready to make some magic happen?
Yeah.
And make you look fresh for the 90s rock out party?
Yes.
Yeah, sweet, brother. Let's make some magic happen.
Your hand here.
There you go.
How does it feel?
Not good.
Why?
Why is that?
Daddy's not being gentle.
Because what?
Because Daddy's not being gentle, baby.
Yes, I am being gentle. One, we'll start the barbecue in like an hour.
Yeah.
You know, like
opera.
Monday. I don't think I brought one.
What? Keep your mouth closed, Theo, then. Thank you. Stick your tongue out. Who are you whistling at, Al?
Alright, look at me.
Keep your tongue. That's Mummy. That's Mummy's camera.
We're gonna be here forever. I need to just get it off his head now.
Wow.
Why are you so upset?
I don't think you can cut his hair again.
Neither do I. I don't think I should cut his hair again either. It's not working, is it? I've tried
Wow.
it. Why are you saying wow? It's his hair. It's hair. Excuse me. Misha, it's hair.
Wow.
Mummy, Mummy, how do you feel about his new haircut?
I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all.
Why? Looks good.
I'm not happy. I'm very angry and I'm upset. I'm angry and upset.
Misha, I messed it up. And I said to you, I'm just going to shave it off. And you were like, go on then. Let me just tell you my version of events, alright? So obviously we're cutting his hair and he's moving around loads. And I'm not a barber, okay? So I'm not exactly like Mr. I mean, I've cut hair before and I've cut his hair before, okay? And this was not supposed to turn out like this. Anyway, and I didn't plan for this either. So I've cut his hair, but he's moving around and I've basically mashed up, like bodged up the whole side, and he's really unhappy about it. I was cutting his hair and I've messed up all down the side, and he's crying and we've already been doing it for like 20 minutes, half an hour. And for me to try and fix what the kind of like the mistake where it's too short, I would have had to like been cutting it for, honestly, I reckon probably about another hour. So I was like, let's just whip it off, because otherwise I'm going to be messing about with for so long. He's going to become even more upset by it. I don't know if any of you have ever had children that get upset when their hair's cut, but obviously I feel really bad right now.
What do you think of Theo's hair?
I don't know.
What do you think of it?
I don't know.
Do you like it?
Do you like it?
Yeah. Once I sleep, it's going back to normal. Once I sleep, it's
Go and stand with Mummy. So Mummy, you don't like it?
No, I'm not happy. I'm definitely not happy.
Okay,
Not
so
happy
guys,
at all.
it's hair. It's going to grow back. To be honest with you, you look like Sean Paul when he went through that, when he had that skinhead phase.
Yeah.
You know, Shangapar, to be honest with you, I honestly don't think it looks bad. I think it suits you. I think you look like...
Oh, it does suit me.
Exactly. I don't know why Mummy's... I don't know why Mummy's getting
Theo.
so upset, like as if you're bald forever. It's
He's
just
not
a haircut.
He's not seen himself in the mirror.
What?
Look, you.
I understand that it is a bit of a shock haircut.
I think
It
Yeah,
looks...
come
It
stand
wasn't
on
what
the
we
chair.
expected, and it isn't...
Stand up. Stand.
What do you think?
good.
Do you like it?
It suits me quite a lot.
So you like it? Look at T. T, doesn't it look wicked?
Yes.
Doesn't it make you look really hard?
I don't think anybody has had this kind of haircut.
Do you think it makes you look cool?
Do you like it?
Right.
Yes. Theo looks like Nanny with
Oh, he looks like who?
Nanny.
Oh man.
Yeah.
So hey, how do you like your new trim?
Good. We feel a bit smart.
Makes you feel a bit smart.
I think you've got mixed feelings. 1 minute you say you like it, the next you don't.
I think you look wicked, absolutely wicked, man. To be honest with you, your scalp had a bit of dead skin on it, and now we've refreshed that up. So,
That mosquito's dead.
okay. All I can say is, look,
And
it wasn't intended.
it's
not the end of the
upside-
world.
It twisted me around the place.
Mummy's not happy with me.